Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cleaning up my house. I'm going away for vacation for a couple of days and I wanted to just kind of tidy up. It's not like my house was super dirty, but it's always nice coming back to a nice, tidy, clean home that smells really good. So today I'm just kind of cleaning up my room, changing my sheets, kind of just removing a whole lot of clutter that's on my bedside table, my nightstand, bedside table, nursing life. It's on my nightstand. Same with my dresser, and just doing a load of laundry, washing those sheets as well. So, it's just something real quick that I did right before I left for vacation, and so enjoy, guys. So with laundry, I started implementing or kind of doing where I would just wash the one load of white sheets that I have instead of just kind of like piling them up. I find that when I do that, they wrinkle a lot more. So I just wash the one load, and plus my washing machine kind of has some kind of sensor where it detects how much or the size of the load. But one trick I learned with my whites is to do baking soda and white vinegar, as well as I also use the white scent beads and OxyClean to really get my sheets back to being fresh and crispy white. One thing that I learned with using the king size pillowcases, especially if the actual pillow is a little smaller, is just to kind of like tuck it in. Before I was kind of like just folding it behind it, but tucking it in really helps make it look a little better. I'm trying to get better at making my bed and making it look real nice and pretty. I'm still at the very beginning stages of that, just because I haven't really invested in other sheets, or I don't want to say sheets, I have plenty of sheets. It's a matter of just the actual bedding, like the different kind of beddings and duvet covers. Like right here I'm using just a regular sheet, or a regular duvet insert, I guess you could say, comforter. I don't have that many duvet covers. Actually, I only have one. So I would like to further make some purchases and buy some more duvet covers, because yes, they do help in giving that nice fluffy hotel look that I really like, as well as it just helps preserve your actual comforter, and it's easier to wash those and dry them versus having to wash and dry the comforter. So it's definitely something that I want to purchase in the very near future. If you guys have any suggestions as to really good ones, definitely send them my way. Send some links over to me or anything like that. I would definitely appreciate it. And another thing that I want to purchase is the pillows where you can actually karate chop them. This one, not so much. I can't. So I'm still kind of learning on the different kind of pillows and pillow inserts. So one thing that's been on my list of things that I wanted to accomplish this year was reading more. So I have this book, Iron Flame. It's from, I forgot the author. But I read the first book and I really loved it, and I just should have kept the momentum going and just dove right into this book right after. but I let time go by, and it's now hard for me to kind of get back into the groove of reading. It's kind of the same concept of working out and going to the gym. Like, you just got to keep doing it, or else, you kind of just lose your way or lose the momentum. So now I'm like struggling to get back into it, but I definitely want to finish the series and start other series. Do you guys have any other book recommendations? We have any readers here? Let me know. I have to admit, cleaning my shower, my stand-up shower, is probably one of my least favorite tasks. I think it comes in second after mopping my kitchen or the downstairs area. I don't know. It's just, something about it just really gets on my nerves. I don't know what it is. Well, you know what? I will say this. The glass showers, sometimes it's like really hard trying to keep the hard water stains out of them. So I really, really do like the Dawn Power Wash spray. I really feel like that gets all of that grime off of the shower doors with just, a spray and a sponge, and you just rinse it right off. But the one thing that I will say that, really does kind of annoy me, and I guess it's an easy fix that I just haven't done, was just changing out the shower head to like a detachable one, just because when it's time to rinse the tub or shower, like exactly like what I'm doing right now, when it's time to rinse, it's kind of hard. I kind of got to use like a little bucket or something like that to get everything off. So it's a little more time consuming. I guess you can say that's the reason why, versus just kind of having a shower head where I can just aim and rinse off all the residue. So that's something I need to get. And I'll be honest, I do not use that squeegee on the shower doors after every shower. Sometimes I just be tired and ready to get into bed, or I'm in a rush and I need to go. So this does not happen after every shower. anybody else feels that trying to fold a duvet perfectly is like trying to fold a fitted sheet perfectly. It just doesn't happen. I tried watching all the videos, not that I needed videos, but listen, this duvet got folded up the way it's going to get folded up. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it. And now my house smells nice and clean, and it smells fresh, warm, and inviting. And it's honestly the best feeling in the world when your home is clean and it smells good. I feel like that's the best compliment, and it's the best feeling coming home from vacation with a nice clean house. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video. Love you guys. Bye.